here we go. Okay. Tell me about how you spend the weekend.
The weekend, I went to the cinema uh, with my boyfriend. We saw a scary movie. I hate this.
A horror film.
Uh, Horror film. Yes, I don't remember.
The name?
Maybe it was Obsess. Yeah, I don't remember. No, it's
Obsession.
horror.
Did your
Yes.
boyfriend like the film?
What?
Did your boyfriend like the film?
Yes, because he
He likes
horror
horror.
films, likes horror films. Yes, and oh my God, we ride in no, on bike, and that's all.
Mm-hmm.
Ой, bike it's велик, правильно?
Bike or bicycle. We can ride a
Bicycle,
bicycle.
and that's all.
So you rode a bicycle, right? On the
Yes,
weekend. You and your
and that's all.
boyfriend.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Now that in the future we can lose a few subscribers because our male subscribers will know that you have a boyfriend. Okay, very good.
Okay.
So what about your homework? You had to do the first 6 lessons on my website. Have you done it?
Yeah, we did it.
Okay, then I will check it after a lesson. And now let's
Mhm.
concentrate. Let's read the plan. I will share my screen with you. Okay, plan for Monday. So today we will, or
We will
will
Undo.
do,
Да, это
undo.
такое слово. Undo? Я не помню.
Okay, I will. Okay, next.
After the base we did on Friday, we will merge into main. Uh, yes, undo the merge, create a conflict while merging and rebasing and resolve them. Sign the code with git research,
Synchronize.
sync
We will
code
synchronize the
with
code
git
with Git. Mhm.
research hard origin main.
Yes, we will synchronize our code, what we have locally, with what we have in our repository, in other words.
Mm-hmm.
So now I will give you permission to share your screen with me. 1 second. Now you can. Mm-hmm.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah, let's go to your AWS account. I hope you stopped your instance.
Yes.
Huh? Let's launch it. Let's launch your instance. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Так, it copy public IP, open Visual Studio, click on this, так, connect to host, add new SSH
Add,
host,
not add, add.
SSH, Ubuntu, what is it?
No, no, no. Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, 1 minute. Yes. Connect. Yes. Continue.
Yes, now let's
Yes.
work in the folder in which we worked in our previous lesson on Friday.
Next
Exchange or
exchange
Git
file.
practice. No, I think Git practice, no? Git
Yes, good
practice.
practice.
We have a repository for Exchange files, but we created one more folder which we don't have a repository to.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Trust.
Okay.
Terminal.
Okay. Terminal. 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see what we
Okay.
have here. So yes. So what did we do at the end of our previous lesson on Friday? We
We created three branches, and we use commands merge.
we used rebase.
Yes, we use Rebase. Worked with
So we
branch.
rebased our main branch into your branch, Nastya branch, right?
Yes.
And now let's undo this rebase. So one more time, how do you understand what rebase is? What is rebase?
Объединять.
Unite or join. Join the code.
Join.
Yeah, join the code.
Yes, join code.
Join the code on the main, yeah, with the code on your branch. Like we have imagine we have 5 folders on the main branch and have like 3 more additional folders maybe, yes, on your branch, and we would join them, unite, put them together. How do we see the actions that we did before? How do we see all the actions that we have done before? For that, there is a command. It's git reflong. Reflong. Yes, enter. So what do you see here? Go to the very top. See, head 0. Head 0. See, rebase finish. See?
This, yes.
Yes, head 0. And below you have head 1. So rebase
Mm-hmm.
finish and rebase pick. What do you think this is?
Base peak.
So it means that rebase picked created for Nastya txt, second commit on Nastya. Yes, and we have one more. Rebase pick. Yeah, see, it means that it picked 2 commits. It
Yes.
took 2 commits and joined them, right? With
Yes.
another branch. And we have rebase start. See, rebase start checkout main.
Mm-hmm.
Put the cursor on rebase start checkout main. No, and
Uh,
head 3, head 3, head 3. Uh-huh. So it means that if you want to undo your rebase, if you think that it was a mistake actually to do this rebase, to rebase the main into your feature branch, we can undo this. How do you think we can undo this? How? So in other words, we can return to the previous state of things before that rebase was done. How can we undo this rebase? So in order for us to have to have these files on different branches as before, what can we do? We need to use
Вернуться
the
назад.
command git reset. Git reset. So copy
Mm-hmm.
head at 3, head at, and in figure brackets 3. Copy this.
This.
No, not before this. Head at 4. Before this rebase started. You see? Moving from
This
main, yeah, clear, yeah, copy this. Uh-huh,
without ID.
yes. And
Uh-huh.
now here, type Q to exit, not press, yeah, type, or press Q, not type, press Q to exit, Q.
Uh-huh. Q.
Yes, and now here, um, you make sure that you are on the master branch. How do we do this?
Yes.
So because we rebased main into our master branch when we were on the master branch, so it's very, very necessary that you are on the, you need to make sure that you are on this branch, Nastia branch. So let's do this. How do we check the branch we're currently in?
Git status. The
No, it's
status.
git branch, and
Git
that's all.
branch.
Mhm. Nastia, right?
Nice.
It means that we can now type git reset hyphen hard and put what you copied. And enter. See what happened here. Look at the code. Look at our folders, files, sorry.
Mm,
See?
now, uh-huh.
We undid. We have just undone our rebase.
It's like Control Z.
Yeah, Control Z, yeah.
Control Z.
So it's the beauty of Git. We can always return to the previous state of things. When we use Git, we are not afraid to make mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
This is why we need to have as many commits as we possibly can. So next time when you work with code, and if you are afraid to make a mistake, actually, yeah, all you have to do is to save, to create a commit, to make a commit before making like serious changes, like very, very
Mm-hmm.
large changes to your code. And in case something goes wrong, you can always return to the previous commit. Now let's have a look at our tree one more time.
Look online. Part. Oh,
No,
yeah.
no, graph. Graph.
Graph. All yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and see, now
We have three
three
branches,
branches.
branches,
Mhm.
branches. Так, okay, it's uh, main, uh, так, о, господи, it's hard.
Mhm.
Uh, okay. Um, it's only main.
So what do you see? Our If we compare the main branch and the master branch, we have the first two commits are the same, right? And then
No,
they start
yes.
getting different. Created 3 nasta.txt and created 4 nasta.txt because these files were created on your branch. This is where things start getting different with the main if we compare it with your main branch. And Alex, and we created
Mm,
the Alex branch at the third commit, yeah, 3txt. It means that if we compare the main branch and the Alex branch, they diverge at the third commit. See? Show it with a point at the cursor.
it
Yes.
creates
This
two
is where
command.
they start getting different. It means that the main branch and the Alex branch have the same 3 commits. The first 3 commits
Mm-hmm.
are the same. Understand?
Да.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now you understood what rebase is, right? Let's do this rebase one more
Mm.
time. Let's rebase the main branch into yours. Git rebase one more time. And main. See what happened? And now you can have a look, one more look at your tree. Hyphen, hyphen, one line.
Mhm. Блин.
See?
Так,
And now we
ага.
have just two divergences. Это расхождение, right? Divergences, just two. We had three
Мгм.
and now we have two. Why? Because now, yeah, like we have the same code on main and Nastya, right?
Мгм.
We can also like rebase Alex main into Alex, yeah. So one more time, let's undo this rebase.
Так, git reflog,
Yes.
git reflog, and
Enter.
enter.
So what do we see here? One more time. Head 0, head 1. You need to return to the state where before rebase start. Where is
Uh,
the commit
this
before the rebase start? No, it's pick rebase start.
with before this.
Yes, it means that you need to copy head 4, head add 4,
Q and
and
git rebase, yes.
mhm,
Ой, нет. Git, what I must type?
reset.
Reset. Git reset. No. Hyphen hard, yes.
Hyphen hyphen hard.
And paste.
Let's do this. See?
Oh, yes.
Actually, you have learned what a lot of programmers don't understand how to work with. So, and like I said, our lessons are very comprehensive. Yeah, like we learn so many things and we learn everything in detail, because it's my approach. I prefer to learn something very, very well. I don't like to scratch the surface. I like getting to the bottom, to the very bottom of things. It's my method. It's my teaching method. It's my approach. Okay, and so let's let's have a look at our tree one more time. Just scroll up, scroll up. No, scroll up. See, what do we have here?
We have... Как это объяснить вообще?
How can I explain this?
We can
So
explain
we have
this.
like Nastya and main, right?
And
So what
that.
happened? What happened? You put two commits. See, what is the last commit here? Created 4 Nastya.txt, second commit on Nastya, and created 3 Nastya.txt, first commit on Nastya. See, we
Oh,
simply
this.
took your two commits from the Nastya branch and put them on top all the commits in our main branch. See,
Mm-hmm.
show all the commits of the main branch with the cursor.
On the main.
So
This.
7txt, 6txt, 5txt, 4txt, and created
And
3txt, 2txt. So we have 7 commits, right, on the main
yes.
branch. And when we rebased the main branch into our Nastya branch, what happened? We put 2 additional commits from the Nastya on top of the branch main. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
See? And now the last commit is created for nasta.txt. Yeah. And now let's merge. Now that we have undone this rebase, let's do the opposite action. For example, right now, your like team lead or tells you that now your code is very good and now you can merge your code into the main branch. Yeah, for that you need to switch to the main branch. No. Mistake. Checkout, yeah, great. Main. Yeah, now we have 7 commits here. Yeah.
Yes.
And when we rebased, yeah, it means that, okay, let's rebase one more time. Let's go back to your Nasta branch one more time. And let's rebase main into this branch one more time.
Объединить main?
Yes, now we have switched to your Nasta branch, and let's rebase main into Nasta. No. Yes, yeah, git rebase main. Right.
Main.
See? So how many commits do we have on your Nasta branch here?
2.
9.
4 nest.
9, right?
Yes,
Let's
because
see. Time git log one line. Let's time git log one line. Let's count all the commits here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So we had 7 commits, right? On the main branch, and the first 2 commits are the same. Yeah, the first 2 commits are the same, and then nasta.txt and nasta.txt, like first, nasta for nasta.txt, like the second commit and the first commit, they are different, right? So so you took the code, yeah, from the main, and on top of all these commits, you put the commits that the main doesn't have, that only your branch has, yeah, that where they are different. Understand?
Yes.
And what do you think you will see if you switch to the main branch? Let's switch to the main branch.
No, I think.
I think, not I think. I think.
I think two. I will see two. The first commit. No, git whatever. Check out main or nothing.
We have just 7 commits here because you took the branch main and rebase into yours, and the main branch is untouched. You didn't do anything to the main branch. You simply took all its commits, right? And on top of all these commits, you put the commits that this branch didn't have, right?
Yes, I understand now.
Now you understand. See, and this is the only way. I could have told you a million of words. Yeah, I could have told you like millions of words. Oh, don't you understand? Is because this is what I always say to my students. Theory is dead. It just doesn't work in IT. It just doesn't work. It's similar to learning how to play the piano without having a piano, right? Or it's like learning how to play football without actually playing football, right? Or it's like learning how to swim without actually swimming. They tell you, oh, don't you understand? You need to put your hand here and here. Do you understand now? Yes, I understand. Yeah, so, but if you start swimming, you will not be able to, right? Because theory, it just doesn't work here. And therefore, no, I don't
Mm-hmm.
understand like these people who teach us theory without any practical application. It's just dead. It just doesn't work, right? Now you see with your own eyes what is merge, what is rebase. And now let's get back. And now if you undo rebase on this branch, it will be a mistake. You will simply make them similar. The code will be the same on both branches. So you need to return to your master branch one more time.
Mm, git reflog.
Check out.
Switch the brain. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
And now, uh, and what I must do?
Let's undo this rebase.
Git reflog.
No, no, yeah, let's see, have a look at our tree one more time.
Reflog. Graph. Oh.
Mm-hmm. So we have like two divergences. Yeah. If we rebase our main into Alex branch, if you switch to the Alex branch and rebase the main into Alex, then we won't have any divergences расхождений at all, right? But now we
Mm-hmm.
have two because we rebased main. Yeah, now they have like it's hard to explain to understand, but now you can see, right? And now
Mm-hmm.
you are beginning to understand what this is. And now that we saw that when we rebase the main branch into your master branch, we took all the commits from the main branch, and on top of them, we put the commits the main doesn't have. And now let's undo this rebase. How do we
Oh,
do this?
um,
We need to find the commit or head with the number where before the rebase started.
no, this.
No, it's big. No.
Peak.
Rebase start. Look at show rebase start. Point the
What
cursor there.
will we
You need to go to
start?
the commit before this one. Yeah, it had 6.
This.
Copy this. Git reset hard. See?
Mm-hmm.
And now merge. Now that you understood what rebase is, merge is different. In order to merge your code into the main branch, yeah, so we can merge main into a feature branch, and we can do vice versa. But it's common. It's a common practice to merge features into the main branch, feature branches into the main branch, and rebase the main into feature branches, like branches, Alex and Nastya, for example. We can create a lot of different branches. And usually we need to have just one branch, main branch. This is the branch of our code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
switch to the main branch. And
Second now, git.
now we need to merge your Nastya branch into your main branch. Type git merge
Настя.
and the name of yes. And be careful. Be careful. All you have to do is to type Control X. Press Control X. Yeah. we didn't have any conflict. Why? Why do you think we didn't have a conflict here?
Because we
Because the same file didn't have different code on two branches, right? In
no,
order for
yes.
a conflict to arise, to have a conflict, you need to have a different code in the same file on different branches, right? Great. But in this case, yeah, if it was different, you would have to solve the conflict first. Yeah, and conflicts, I hate conflicts. Yes, and now let's have a look at our tree one more time. No, no. What's happening here?
Oh my god.
So the first
We
two commits
moved.
are the same, right? So the main branch and the master branch have the first two commits are the same.
Yeah, this.
After that,
After that, what is it?
don't look at Alex. Alex is different. Don't look at Alex. So
Okay.
created for alex.txt, they are on a different. We didn't merge Alex into the main branch. We merged. And now look at created for txt. See, these are the commits that were on the main branch, right? 4txt,
Mm-hmm.
5txt, 6txt, 7txt. And then on top of them, we have the commits that weren't, that weren't on the main branch. They were only on the master branch. See? And when you merge, the program created one more commit, and this commit was merge. Show this commit, merge branch nasta. So see, it's one more actually, one more commit, and it has its own ID 8EFCDE0. See?
Mm-hmm.
And now let's go scroll up to our rebase. Scroll up. Scroll up. And let's compare with rebase. Scroll up, higher.
Are you sure?
Yes. And now let's compare commits of our merge with the commits of our rebase. And it's our rebase, see?
No.
It's our rebase. What's
And what
happening
it
here?
must do?
Это наш rebase. Мы сейчас сравниваем коммиты мерджа и коммиты с ребейсом.
Rebase это типа вот это?
Мы
Ну, вот это.
заребейсили. We rebased the main into your Nastya.
Ну, тут,
And what
да.
do you see here? What do you see here? Do we have a separate commit for rebase?
Separate,
У нас
what is
есть
it?
отдельный коммит для ребейса здесь?
Ну, вот это.
No, we don't have it. Мы просто взяли, we simply took the commits from the main, and on top of them, we put the commits that the main didn't have. The commits that only your rebase had, or your master branch had, sorry. Yeah, so, and that's all. Yeah, so the commits, we took all the commits from the main branch, and on top of them we put the commits that only your master branch had. See? У нас здесь нет отдельного коммита для rebase. See? So what is the last commit here after our rebase? Created for nasa.txt. Yeah. So этот commit уже существовал на rebase, на Nastya. This commit already existed. And the idea of this commit did not change. Understand?
Да.
Now scroll
Yes.
scroll back to the very bottom. And now it's our merge. And does merge have a separate commit?
No, maybe this?
No. Find merge, the last commit here.
This?
Yes.
Ah, ah.
Yes, so when we merge, it has a separate commit. Understand? And when we
Mm-hmm.
rebase, it doesn't have a separate commit. See how it works? So when we rebase, we just your history is one line. Understand? Когда мы
Да,
ребейсим, просто
yes.
история коммитов идет в одну линию. А когда мы
Mm-hmm.
мерджим, оно не в одной линии. Оно лишь в одной линии, когда мы уже отдельный коммит для мерджа есть. When we have a separate commit for merge.
Yes, да?
А?
Как у нас вот, да?
Where is it? Point the
Ну, как
finger.
вот это.
Yes. То есть в плане кода ничего не меняется. Но в плане
Mm-hmm.
коммитов, in terms of code, nothing changes. Yeah, we unite like all the commits, right? We put them together, all the files. Yeah, but it's in terms of commits, it's quite different because when you rebase, it's one line. We simply take the commits of your main branch, and on top of that, we put what? We put the commits that the branch main didn't have. And if we merge, it's not one line. They become only when this merge branch Nasta, see? 8ef is the cde 0.
Mm-hmm.
And this is how it's different. And now go back to your Nasta branch. See?
Mm-hmm.
So what just happened? When we rebased the main branch into Nasta branch, the main branch was untouched. It had the same number of commits, 7, 7, yeah? But your Nasta branch had like 4 commits, and now it had 9 commits, right? After rebase.
But
Yeah,
after this.
but then we undid rebase, and we did the
Mm-hmm.
opposite. Yeah, we put the commits that the main branch didn't have, and because the first 2 commits are the same, the program lifted the last 2 commits from the Nasta branch and put them and merge them. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Мы бы могли заребейсить. We could have easily rebased, yeah, like your branch into main. But it's more common to merge into the main branch and rebase into feature branches. Understand?
Oh,
Very, very hard.
yes.
Very hard. But at least
Mm-hmm.
it's not theory, it's practical knowledge, yeah? So you understand what's happening. And now, in order to undo this merge, it is very important to return to the main branch. It is very important. Because if you don't return to the main branch where the merge was done and do this git reflog here, they will, yes, you will have the same on both branches. So, and now git reflog, yeah.
Так, окей.
Find the commit before merge.
Merge, checkout.
Where did
This?
merge happen? Yes,
Merge?
yeah,
This?
yes, yeah.
Just click on
Copy head 3, and you know what to do now. Yeah, press
view
Q.
and read, reset. Wait, reset hyphen hard head at 3.
See what happened? You just undid the merge.
Mm-hmm.
And now let's have a look at our tree one more time. See, what do you see? This is how things
Mm,
were before the merge. So let's go from the very bottom to the very top. The first two commits are the same on
on main,
and Nastya.
Настя.
And now show me where they get different.
No, this,
Yeah, show the commits on Nastya.
this,
And show the commits on main.
this.
Yes, but the first two commits are the same. Understand?
No, this.
No, the first two commits are the same.
No. The
This one is
first two
Alex,
commits.
you know. Yes, we don't have.
This was
Nastya doesn't have. Why does Nastya not have the third commit?
this. No, this commit.
Yeah, why does Nastya not
Um,
have this commit?
because it's Alex
Because
commits.
we created Alex and the third commit. Yeah, and if we compare Alex, Nastya and main, the first two commits are the same, right? And then they start getting different. And if we compare Alex and main, сравниваем, compare.
Что сравнивать?
Если мы сравниваем Nastya и main, то первые два коммита одни и те же. If we compare...
Ну,
But если мы сравниваем Alex и main, тогда какие коммиты одни и те же? Then what commits are the same if we compare Alex and main?
and main, no, this.
The first three, первые три. Understand?
This and this, yes?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And if we merge, what happens if we merge the Nastya branch into the main branch? What happens? You can scroll up and see
No,
what happened. You can scroll up and see what happened.
no, I have two same commits and
Yeah, and the program ignores Alex. Mhm.
yes, and this
Игнорирует.
will merge.
Yes. So 4txt, 5txt, 6txt, 7txt are the commits on the main branch. On top of them, we have two commits from the main master branch, which the main branch didn't have. And then we have a separate merge, right?
Mm-hmm.
The last commit. Show me the last commit. Yeah, and this is where things were put together. This is where our
Yes.
code was merged, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hard, right?
No, yes.
Confusing,
No,
запутанно, very confusing.
this tree it's more hard.
It's harder.
It's harder to me. Ну,
For
сложно
me.
мне понять эти развилки.
It's hard for me to understand divergences, расхождения, divergences.
Все остальное не очень, ну, не прям сложно.
The rest is not
Только,
very hard.
yes.
But it's quite easy. You know what? The first two commits are the same on both branches, Nastya and main. After that, they get different. Правильно? Say this in English. Repeat after me.
Ну, еще раз,
Первые
please.
два коммита одни и те же на обоих ветвях. Say this in English.
The first two, the same
Commits.
commit.
The first two commits есть одни и те же. Are
Commits are the same
on both
on both
branches. And after that, after the second commit,
after
things
that,
вещи расходятся. Things diverge. They get different.
things diverge.
Show it to me. Prove it to me. Show it to me where they get different.
Ну, вот тут они расходятся.
Yes. Main and Nastya.
This Alex, okay.
Yeah, but it's a merge. Yeah.
Yes, and this we merge.
Yes. And we have a
Настя
separate commit
and
for when we merge, we have a separate commit. When we rebase, we don't have a separate commit, отдельный commit, understand?
what this separate commit.
Yes, yes. And we ignore Alex, yeah? Because we don't touch the Alex branch. Understand? And
Mm-hmm.
if we compare the main branch now in Alex, what happens here if we compare the main branch in Alex? What is compare? Do you know what is the word compare?
Ну, объединить.
Compare это сравнивать. It's
А,
exactly what I
понимаю.
say. No, unfortunately, I don't have time to learn English. Yeah, because we need to spend time only. Yeah, compare это сравнивать. Если мы сравниваем Alex и main branch, if we compare the Alex and the main branch, then they start getting different after what commit? After which commit?
No, this.
Yes, it means that the first two commits are the same.
Yes. This
But
the
if we
same?
compare Nasta and main, then the first two commits are the same, right?
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Потому что на этом коммите мы создали, а, ну, Alex
Yes,
branch.
yes, now you understand. Scroll down, and this is how things look now because we undid our merge, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now let's create a conflict. How do we create a conflict?
We
Switch
can
to the main
tell
branch. Switch to the main
me.
branch. You're already here. Let's
No,
let's
yes.
make some changes in 6txt. No, in 2txt because we have the first two commits the same, right? The files.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make changes in 2txt. And right now we are making changes on main branch, right? Hello. Yes, and Control S. Did you Control S?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes, and now
Uh,
let's make changes on the Nasta branch as well.
uh-huh. Git checkout Настя.
See? Why do you think it would be impossible to make changes in 7txt? The same changes on both branches. Почему невозможно было бы сделать разный код в 7txt на обоих ветвях? Потому что Nasta не имеет этого файла. Because Nasta branch doesn't have this file 7txt, understand?
No. No, I have only
Yes.
two.
Yeah, but we have just one txt and two txt. Yeah? Now let's make changes
Mm-hmm.
here as well. 2txt. Say goodbye here. Not hello, but goodbye instead of hello.
It's one одного.
Yes, okay, goodbye. Yeah, yeah.
Так, одно слово.
Yes. No, usually two separate words.
Ничего страшного.
Control S. And
Yes.
now let's rebase main into no, let's merge. Let's merge. Let's merge your master branch into your main branch. For that, you need to check switch to the main branch. And let's merge Nasta into the main branch.
Сейчас, господи, уже. Так. Ой, 1 minute. Настя.
Control
Control
X, type
X.
Control X.
Control X.
Did it work?
Yes.
Now what do we have in 2txt?
Goodbye. But if I... Почему goodbye?
Because it's what you had on Nasta. So see, in
Настя.
this case, we don't have a conflict actually. Yeah, now
Mm-hmm.
let's have a look at our tree. See, merge branch Nasta. So, and in this case, yeah, when we do this, but wait a minute, we created separate codes, yeah, in 2 and
Maybe I must push this code, and after that we will have
okay, let's undo this merge.
reset
Git
reflog. Oh
reflog.
my god.
Let's undo it.
Demo. Yes. Merge. Reset.
Find the commit before merge.
Before
Merge,
merge.
because we merged.
Oh no, this.
Yes, copy it and reset. Undo this merge. See? And what does 2txt have? You forgot to
Nothing.
save.
No. I type Control S.
Okay, let's do it one more time then. Let's type something here.
Control S.
Hello, Control S.
Now git checkout.
And
Боже,
Nastya.
что я
Git checkout Nastya.
Git checkout Настя.
Now it says, now here is goodbye.
Control S.
And let's do it one more time.
Git check out main. Now git merge.
Nastya.
Next. Control.
Wait a minute. So it was hello, right? And now goodbye.
Yes.
Type Control O, or press Control O maybe. Enter. Control X. What happened?
We have goodbye. Nothing happened.
So looks like it overrides, yeah? Оно перезаписывает. Looks like your Nastya branch, yeah, overrides what we have on the main, on the merge, right? On the main branch. Okay, now let's undo your merge one more time. Are you on main right now?
1 minute.
Are you on the main branch? Wait a minute, are you on the main branch or on the...
Yes, it's main.
Make sure. That is main branch. So, and now switch to Nastya. It also has goodbye. So you had goodbye on your Nastya branch, right? And you had hello on your 2txt branch, right? I see what's happening. Okay, now let's, did we undo the merge?
What?
Did we undo the merge? Let's undo the merge. Let's switch back to the main branch and undo the merge there. Reflog. How do we do this?
Merge. Как this?
No. Sorry, git moving. Yeah. Yes. Before the merge. Yes. Head 3, right? Yeah, it's head 3. So copy it and let's undo it.
Git reset.
Hard, yes. Uh-huh. And now let's rebase. Now let's type something here as well, like change the code in this file. What is it? Change the code, yeah, something like this. Yeah, Control S. Now let's switch to the master branch. And what do we have here?
Change the code.
Why? Close this folder. Close this. Yes, and now open it again. Did you switch to the master branch?
Yes, master. Я не понимаю, от чего
Switch
это
back to the
должно
main.
работать?
Switch back to the main then. To txt. Let's make it different here. Change something here. Yeah, close it, close it. Yeah, close it, close it. Yeah, open it. And type something. Hello again. Hello. No. Yeah, okay. Now Control S and close this file. Yes. And what branch are you in right now? Main?
Main.
Yes. Check out to Nasta. Let's open this file here.
А почему это не должно работать?
Why?
Это же один файл просто в двух бренчах.
Okay, let's create one more file quickly on both branches. Let's create a git 8 here. No, touch. Why git touch? Just touch. How to create files.
Ouch.
8. 8,
8.
8. GHT, yeah. .txt. Yes. And now let's do something here. Type goodbye. It's your main branch. It's your master branch, right?
Да. Yes.
Goodbye. Control S. Check that this is Nasta. Make sure that it's Nasta branch. Now switch to the main branch. And let's create the same file here. But
Что?
why? What's happening? You switch to the main branch. Why do we
Да.
have the same? You didn't create ATXT on the main branch.
Так мы же создавали файл в двух бренчах одновременно.
Нет, we created... Нужно же было заэдить в начале change. Нужно было add commit вначале сделать.
Ну да.
We forgot to add commit. Let's do this. Oh my god. It's such a shame. It's such a shame. Oh my god. How can I post this video? How can I upload this video to YouTube? Let's move back to to master branch.
Master
Yeah,
branch.
check out branch.
Git. Check out. Main. Next.
Type git clean n. Clean.
Ну, как пишется clean.
Чистый, clean.
Clean.
Hyphen n.
Like this?
Yes. See, 8 will be removed. Now git clean -f to remove. Yeah, and now let's make changes in 2txt. One more time, close this file. Yes, delete everything here, like, and type something. I'm a total mess. Я полный беспорядок. I'm a total mess. Capital letter, I. Both me and my teacher are a total mess.
Не буду вас приплетать. Как
Okay.
пишется?
Mess. Беспорядок, mess.
This?
It's math. Mess.
Okay.
Беспорядок, mess. Messy.
Oh.
Yeah. One S. Yeah. One more S. Control S. Git add. Commit. Made changes to. Made changes to txt on Nasta. To txt on Nasta. Yeah. Nasta branch. Uh-huh. And now switch to the main branch. And txt. And type something here. I'm not a total mess. No, it's just something different. Okay, we're trying to understand. Okay, hi, it's just here, type something. Control S. And now merge master branch into the main branch. No, merge. You are on main already. Merge master. Merge failed, see? And
Yes.
what do you think we need to do right now? We can use a git stash. Git stash. And do it one more time. So, and we removed everything after the last commit. And do this one more time. Git merge one more time. Control X. See? And now git stash pop. And now solve the conflict. Delete equal signs and greater than everywhere. Equals, знаки равенства, equal signs everywhere. And stash changes this one as well. Control X, yeah, to save. And now you can create one more, add commit, yeah, and you will push it. And okay, no, that's all for today. Yeah, like I said, Git is a very confusing and very complicated topic. I don't know who created this Git. I hate Git myself, but we need to understand this. Because if you get the hang of things, if you get the hang of how to work with it, it will be significantly easier for you, yeah, to work in the future. Because in the future we'll be working with, and it's just the very beginning actually. Things will get more and more difficult. But don't worry, you will understand everything. Even if it takes us a year to understand everything, you will understand everything. Don't worry. So, what are your plans for today?
I will help my grandmother
With
and
what?
with garden. We have garden, and I must собирать ягоды я должна.
Pig berries.
Pig berries, yes.
Currants, raspberries, right?
Yes.
Great. Okay, that's all for today. I will send you homework. Thank you very
Yes.
much.
Thank you
Bye.
for yesterday.